World update. Got it in there, got everything plugged up, got shit bolted up and stuff. I'm tightening everything up, cleaning that up. And you get a screwdriver with a hammer and just bam. Alright. And hit it with that to tighten it. And that's it. Good as it gonna get until I can tighten it in more, because I'm gonna tighten that hole down. I think I got enough space to do that. Yeah, I got enough space to tighten it down more, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, bada bing, bada boom. So, got the fuel tank back in. I lowered that hole back down on the ground, so now everything looks completely uneven. It is what it is, though. I'm not gonna stress about it too much. Now is the time. It's got like a gallon of gas in the tank. Let's see if it'll do what it wants to do. Alright, what up, world, bro? I hate these new phones, bro. Why do I need a Google button? I don't like Google. I don't want to talk to the bitch, bro. I don't like the hoe. She's fucking useless to me. Secondly, why is Google a female? Google should be like a fucking alien or some dog mascot character or some fucking weird shit like that, bro. Let's see if this car runs now. Alright, we got it running, bro. Got that bitch running. Sorry, I didn't see that. My awesome wife actually gave me some insight, because I haven't driven manual in fucking forever. Alright. Let's see if it works. It works. No brakes though. Oh, barely brakes. Oh, that sucks. But it runs and it drives. Huh. All right.